to share these experiences with all you lovely viewers. It's time for me to take a short break. मिलते हैं एक छोटे से break के बाद. Coming up, for all you fashionistas, there are 2 new stores launched in Dubai. Studio 8 and a new Brazilian shoe brand, Du Monde. Welcome back. There's no dearth of events in Dubai, but we get you only the best with the most exclusive guest list. So come with me to the launch of new fashion boutique, Studio 8. Studio 8 is owned by local entrepreneur Sara Belhassa. It houses 8 different designers from different parts of the world. I like the concept. Let's know more about it from the lady herself. Sara, tell us, how did you come up with this idea called Studio 8?
Initially I had Manish Malhotra, and then I had all my friends, whether it's Lebanese or whether it's Indonesian. Not everyone likes Indian design, so I said I have to cater to all the nationalities living in Dubai, because Dubai is famous for all different nationalities living out here. And then I was sitting with Hassan, HSY, and then he said, let's do something together and let's do something, and it just came out the name Studio 8. That's how it clicked.
So who's your favorite designer in this?
I love all. I got the best from each region. Everybody has its own, you cannot say favorite, everybody has their niche, for either embroidery or cut. I think I got the best ones.
While we were there, we got a chance to talk to some of the designers. Manish Malhotra flew all the way from Mumbai to be there for the event. We also met up with local designer Aisha Ramadan and Lebanese designer Sohad Akouri.
Studio 8, it's a nice, one-of-a-kind concept in the UAE market. It's like they combine all the designers of the region, which is very important to show a variety collection of ethnic, avant-garde, modern, romantic style, different styles, yes, which is I appreciate very much. Good luck for that.
It's a concept of collaboration of 8 designers from different continents from around the world. The beautiful thing and what really differentiates it from other boutiques is that it's really focused on who they're getting. They're trying to get one thing for everybody.
Tell us about your collection. It looks fantastic.
It is, for the first time, much brighter than normal. If you see the other collection and the rest of it, it's a lot of yellows, a lot of bold colors, and a lot of the really bolder colors were sold already, so you're not going to see it here. That is different from whatever I have done in the past. In the past, I used to do lots of black and earthy tones, so that's really a good change for me.
What kind of collection are you showcasing now?
Well, I think it gets very difficult when you've got to give lots of clothes to a big store. But when you're doing a limited range, which is like 50 to 60 garments, you can do your best. And I would like the clothes to be what I do and what I represent in India, which is a very Indian influenced, glamour, color. The whole take to it is a bit more modern. And I think that whatever I give in Studio 8 will represent me.
The event was a big success with the creme de la creme of the society present there to support Sara Belhassa and the designers. Who's your favorite designer here?
Well, arguably Manish, as always, and of course I do like HSY very much this time.
So Did you buy anything?
Yes, I did. I picked up an outfit from HSY and a pair of trousers from Priya Kataria Puri.
I think HSY for sure.
Hatem I wear a lot. I love Hassan and all the other designers. I think are amazing.
My favorite is Manish. I love Manish Malhotra. Now I've reached a stage where I'm only wearing Manish in my Indian wear. I like the concept because it gives you can come in. It's like a one-stop shop. You can get Indian wear, you can get Western wear, and she's got a very nice team on board.
I must say, whether it's food or whether it's coming to buy some garments, I've always loved the multi-designer concept. As of buying today, sure. I think it's a brand new collection for everyone. I think we're all itching to go out after we finish socializing and then pick up something very nice for her.
I had a fantastic evening and I was really happy to be there. शानदार कपड़े तो तैयार हो गए और अब बारी है footwear की. So for all of you who have a shoe fetish just like me, let me take you to the launch of a new shoe brand in town, Dumont. Dumont, the Brazilian fashion and footwear retailer, launched its latest collection in Dubai for the first time at an ultra-glamorous fashion show at the Address Hotel, downtown Burj Dubai. The show was a visual delight that exuded metropolitan chic with combinations of striking styles, international models, and ingenious choreography. The internationally acclaimed brand and lounge ambience bedazzle guests to top off this unforgettable fashion event. Dumont was established in 1997 and is today one of the major Brazilian fashion brands. In 2008, Dumont joined hands with the Landmark Group and opened its first store at Deira City Centre. Dumont offers a diverse mix of products such as handbags and leather accessories.
Dumont is very dedicated to trendy fashion concept. So pretty much what we're going to see is a combination of good color, good material, excellent quality of shoes dedicated to this type of customers. What we say is the Brazilian concept of fashion. We do take care pretty much of taking abroad what we have in the best of the Brazilian fashion way. So this is pretty much what we target worldwide.
Inside now. When you look at the product and you look at the brand, the whole atmosphere, the sensuality of the brand, the ambience of the address all sort of complements each other. So naturally this was like a hand in glove kind of fit.
Lovely collection, isn't it? And guess what? High Life Dubai is giving you a chance to win 5 gift vouchers worth 250 dirhams each. Just answer this simple question. Where is Dumont store located? A. Mall of the Emirates. B. Deira City Centre. C. Dubai Mall. Send in your answers to win at highlifedubai.ae or go on our website, click on competition and answer the simple question.